Devotee, is God only a mental conception? Maharshi, yes. Do you think of God in sleep? Devotee, but sleep is a state of dullness. Maharshi, if God be real, He must remain always. You remain in sleep and in wakefulness just the same. If God be as true as yourself, God must be in sleep as well as the self. This thought of God arises only in the wakeful state. Who thinks now? Devotee, I think. Maharshi, who is this I? Who says it? Is it the body? Devotee, the body speaks. Maharshi, the body does not speak. If so, did it speak in sleep? Who is this I? Devotee, I within the body. Maharshi, are you within the body or without? Devotee, I am certainly within the body. Maharshi, do you know it to be so in your sleep? Devotee, I remain in my body in sleep also. Maharshi, are you aware of being within the body in sleep? Devotee, sleep is a state of dullness. Maharshi, the fact is, you are neither within nor without. Sleep is the natural state of being. Devotee, then sleep must be a better state than this. Maharshi, there is no superior or inferior state. In sleep, in dream, and in the wakeful state, you are just the same. Sleep is a state of happiness. There is no misery. The sense of want, of pain, etc. arises only in the wakeful state. What is the change that has taken place? You are the same in both, but there is difference in happiness. Why? Because the mind has risen now. This mind rises after the I thought. The thought arises from consciousness. If one abides in it, one is always happy. Devotee, the sleep state is the state when the mind is quiet. I consider it a worse state. Maharshi, if that were so, why do all desire sleep? Devotee, it is the body when tired that goes to sleep. Maharshi, does the body sleep? Devotee, yes, it is the condition in which the wear and tear of the body is repaired. Maharshi, let it be so. But does the body itself sleep or wake up? You yourself said shortly before that the mind is quite in sleep. The three states are of the mind. Devotee, are they not states of the soul functioning through the senses, etc.? Maharshi, they are not of the soul or of the body. The soul remains always uncontaminated. It is the substratum running through all these three states. Wakefulness passes off. I am. The dream state passes off. I am. The sleep state passes off. I am. They repeat themselves, and yet I am. They are like pictures moving on the screen in a cinema show. They do not affect the screen. Similarly, also, I remain unaffected although these states pass off. If it is of the body, are you aware of the body in sleep? Devotee: No. Maharshi: Without knowing the body to be there, how can the body be said to be in sleep? Devotee: Because it is still found after waking up. Maharshi: The sense of body is a thought. The thought is of the mind. The mind rises after the I thought. The I thought is the root thought. If that is held, the other thoughts will disappear. There will then be no body, no mind, not even the ego. Devotee: What will remain then? Maharshi: The self in its purity. I hope you learn. Om Tat Sat.